Hello, my name is Marcus Edwards. I just wanted to run you through quickly the new interface for the beforeUdig New Zealand service. This interface is now a fully responsive interface, so that means that it will adapt to the size of your different devices, desktop, mobile, tablet, that sort of thing. So the key here, there's a new home screen. It just shows you a few statistics about, the previous jobs that you've submitted through the service. At the bottom of the screen, it displays the previous 5 jobs that you've put through the service. Up in the top right corner, we have access to our user settings. This is where we can save our defaults for any new jobs that we're putting through the service. You can click the edit button up the top right there. That allows you to change the settings, and then you can click save and save those later on. You have your user profile as well, so that's basically editing your contact details. You might want to turn on multi-factor authentication for your login credentials, but you can edit those details there. The key thing that I really wanted to show you was how to submit a new job, and so we'll just go straight through that process now. So I have an option up the top right, the green button, and in the menu system on the left as well, called New Job. So clicking that option, we have a number of steps to slide through. So basically you're choosing the job purpose, activity, the job start and proposed job end date. So we put in these details and click next. It's asking us now, do we want to have a locator come out on site for us? We'll say no at this point. From the site location section, we could actually select this option, which is about using the current location. So particularly useful if you're out on site with a mobile device. Or we have our standard search options, so the street, intersection, or maybe a coordinate search. I also have another option here saying use registered address. So if I choose that, it just populates with the address that I've registered my account with. And then on the map, my objective here is really to draw my proposed work site. So there's a couple of tools that I have available to me. So I can draw lines on the map. I can draw a polygon, or I can use the circle tool. So once I've drawn my proposed work site, I can hit next. I'm then prompted just to confirm that dig site address is correct. These details are passed on to the different utilities that have assets at that location. So I'm going to say that they're okay. I'll hit next. Agree that we're submitting the accurate information and hit submit. So during that process, what it's done is it's compared my proposed work site with the different utilities who are members in that area, and it will then go and notify those different organisations of your intention to work. Those companies will come back and reply with plans and information about their assets in that area. So we also get a mud map of the that proposed work site that we've just drawn, any of the job details down here. But the key is that information has now been sent off to the different utilities. There is an action option up the top right where we can actually continue that job, so we can actually then draw a corresponding work site alongside that current job. We can resubmit the ticket if we needed to. So this is more of a historical thing. We can go to an old ticket and resubmit it and update the dates. There's a history option. If there's any history for that ticket, maybe it was resubmitted a few times, you could see where the tickets come from, and then downloading the confirmation sheet. So each time you submit a ticket through the service, you will receive an email with a confirmation sheet attached to that as a PDF. This is another way to get access to that confirmation sheet.